Awning Windows Laurel installation, Maryland, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles and designs available, residents can select from custom awning windows, energy-efficient awning windows, and more to suit their specific needs. Awning window contractors in Laurel, Maryland, offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. For those considering awning window replacement in Laurel MD, there are numerous options to explore. Vinyl awning windows, Laurel Maryland, and wood awning windows Laurel MD are among the top choices for their durability and classic appeal. Aluminum awning windows, Laurel provide a modern touch, while energy-efficient awning windows Laurel help reduce energy costs. Awning windows, Laurel MD is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Professional awning window services. Laurel Maryland can address issues such as awning window sealing, awning window hardware, and awning window locks. Regular awning window maintenance. Laurel Maryland ensures that your windows remain in top condition. Custom awning windows. Laurel offer a personalized touch to any home. Homeowners can choose from a range of awning window sizes, awning window colors, and awning window brands Laurel Maryland to create a unique look. Awning window quotes Laurel provide a clear understanding of the awning window cost Laurel MD, helping you budget effectively. Awning window cleaning. Laurel MD is a crucial part of maintaining the appearance and functionality of your windows. Regular cleaning helps prevent the buildup of dirt and grime, ensuring that your awning window screens and awning window hinges Laurel MD operate smoothly. Awning window parts. Laurel Maryland are readily available for any necessary replacements. When selecting awning window companies in Laurel, it's important to consider their expertise and reputation. Experienced awning window contractors. Laurel Maryland can provide valuable insights into the best awning window designs Laurel Maryland for your home. They can also offer guidance on the most suitable awning window styles Laurel for your specific requirements. Awning windows. Laurel Maryland extend beyond installation and repair. They include comprehensive solutions such as awning window sealing Laurel and awning window maintenance Laurel Maryland. These services ensure that your windows remain energy efficient and secure, providing peace of mind for homeowners. For those interested in energy-efficient awning windows Laurel, there are several options to consider. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Awning window brands Laurel Maryland offer a range of energy-efficient solutions to meet the needs of environmentally conscious homeowners. Awning window hardware. Laurel MD plays a crucial role in the functionality and security of your windows. High-quality awning window locks, Laurel Maryland, and awning window hinges, Laurel MD, ensure that your windows operate smoothly and securely. Awning window parts. Laurel Maryland are available for any necessary repairs or upgrades. Awning window cost Laurel MD can vary depending on the materials and features selected. It's important to obtain awning window quotes Laurel from reputable contractors to ensure you receive a fair price.